Currently posting out flyers for expectations for people. Hi everyone, so I just came back from a quick break from helping move in all the dorm mom stuff and teacher stuff. I think my arm is gonna be sore for days and days, probably this whole week again. Okay, hi everyone. So I moved, but we're just gonna eat lunch and then wait for the kids to come. So they're gonna go into registration around like 2, and then we're gonna help them. Not help them move in, but like help them get settled, like with registering and like finding their rooms and stuff like that. And then we're gonna do like a intro meeting and more like icebreaker type of activities. As you can see, we have a sink. Like that's pretty like rare, I think, for like a college dorm. And I'm very appreciative of the sink. Yet again on sign duty. Sign duty. Yay. Hi everyone, so I'm currently setting up the computers and I'm just gonna try to get out all the robots and maybe make one myself so I can help others figure it out as well, because it's been a while since I've done it. Right now I'm in an empty classroom because that's what I'm setting up. And we got all the charging cables figured out and we're charging the brains and the computers, but a lot of the computers don't have the software, so we're trying to figure that out, or just see which computers have it. But yeah, that's the update. Hi everyone, so now I'm gonna be portioning out the tapes and straws for the girls. Update this morning. I just made my bed and then we're gonna go out for breakfast soon. Hi everyone, here's the fit check for today. Let's see. Diane, can you write your full name here? And then this would be food. Your the reason for doing it. Thank you. Yeah, what? 7 sauces. 7 sauces. Hi everyone, I've been so busy that I keep forgetting to film updates throughout the week. Sorry. I was gonna vlog. This is my classroom. Isn't that kind of cool? I think that's pretty cool. This is taking a lot longer to set up. I guess this is what it's like to be a teacher. But because all the chairs were like in a panel setting earlier, where they're just like a lecture hall, and I had to move all them back and then move the tables and then put the chairs around. Anywho, I'm gonna go now. Yay! Teamwork. Are you gluten-free?
Thank you. No, grab a cheese stick. You have to grab a cheese stick.
Oh my gosh!
What?
They're organized.
They were not.
What? On a field trip today to see some like water filtration system, I believe, and I'm going on the AM bus, which means it's not going to be as hot. So thankful for that. Let's see how it goes. But the bread feels really hard, does it not?
It does.
No. Okay. I wasn't even gonna put on mustard.
Oh, yeah. Better than the first one.
Really? Why?
Not
Because
wet.
it's like the same ingredients. Isn't it?
I feel like the bread is better.
Slightly.
It's
My
not
other
hard?
bread was literally like soaked through.
I know,
So-
mine too.
Yeah. This bread, I mean, it's.
Here's the update for today. I finished the morning field trip and we just did photos, staff photos, counselor photos, branch photos, and now we're gonna go eat dinner and then do some bonding afterwards. Oh shoot. Oh wait, it's not that bad. finishing up a Rice Krispie now. This is our like treat after lunch because we get like one sweet treat after. And now I'm gonna help set up for robotics. Nice. So it's the last night here, and we just finished cake, and now I think I'm gonna be talking my door for a little bit, and then getting to get ready to go to bed or counselor meeting. It's banana time, so I just started or finished packing up. I'm gonna double check the drawers. I'm pretty sure I didn't touch them, but you know. Eating a banana to boost up my power before the kids go at like 10. Hi everyone, so I finished packing up everything that I need, and all my dorm group has left, so now it's free for me to help with packing up the other stuff that we need to do, and then I didn't get to pack my own stuff as well. So this is how we're gonna leave the dorm like. Yeah, you know, the sink really came in a clutch, I think. I think every dorm should have a sink. This should set the example. Anyways, that was my journey as a camp counselor, and I hope you guys all enjoyed. And please leave a like and comment and subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. This is crazy.